What's going on, YouTube family? Garrett back again with another video, and today we are going to be doing some retail arbitrage to flip online for profits. Now, I got a call from a manager at one of the outlets locally here in Arizona. They said they have some pretty good stuff, so I'm gonna head over there, buy them out on whatever I possibly can make a profit on. I'm trying to spend as much as possible today, so hopefully this vlog is pretty awesome, pretty cool. I'm hoping to buy a ton of stuff. My goal for the day is to spend at least $5,000. So I'm going to take you guys along for the ride of how to buy and sell and make profits. But first, I sold about 4 pairs, 3 on StockX, 1 on GOAT. So we're heading to the UPS store to drop off those packages. And then we're going to head to the outlets. Let's go. All right, guys, we totally bought out Adidas, filled up the back here, and also got the bed of my truck full. But yeah, had to come home, unload this stuff. I spent a total of, I believe it was $3,400 at Adidas in about an hour. So super great haul. I'll show you guys more at the end of this video of what I actually picked up. But I'm gonna unload this and we're gonna go hit some more stores. All right, guys, it is the next day. I hit up that Ross yesterday, spent around $370. I was going to record for you guys, but I think my GoPro's like broke. It won't turn on. I tried charging it overnight. So if any of you guys have ever had the problem of your GoPro not turning on and you found a solution, let me know. So kind of change of plans. I'm gonna try to get some footage on my phone, if not at least pictures, do some b-roll for you guys on some of the stuff I find. But Ross, I killed it. I went to another one just before. I'm at Burlington right now, and I found a ton of great stuff. So if you want some bolos, stay tuned till the end of the video. Smash the like button. I'm gonna be giving you guys some bolos to go out there and find at Ross, at least, to make some quick cash. Stay tuned. Just left Burlington, spent a total of $380. I have to check the receipt, don't quote me on that, but around 380 bucks. Picked up a bunch of those white Nike hats. I always do well with that particular style of Nike hat. Plus, I got some of those little curling irons or flat iron, I don't know what you girls call them, the little irons for your hair. Picked up about 5 of those, paid 20. They're going for about 60 bucks on Amazon, so I'll make around 25 profit on those. Also got some of those little toys, those little dolls. I picked some of those up at a different Burlington and did well with them, so I picked them up again. But as you guys can see, I got some clips inside the store, so hopefully you guys could have seen that while I was on my phone. So don't blame me if the quality is horrible for this video, but we're going to Ross right across the street. Hopefully, let's keep this momentum going. When you guys are having a good day of sourcing, just keep hitting stores until you start slowing down, because for some reason I notice when I'm getting lucky, I'm having a great day sourcing. Luck tends to keep on going for some reason. So I'm gonna keep hitting stores all day till I stop finding stuff. Let's go. wraps up all the shopping. So I'm going to show you guys some of the stuff I got. I spent probably close to $5,000-6,000. I'm not quite sure. Got a ton of stuff in here that I need to get prepped. Unfortunately, I have this trailer stuck in here for a couple more weeks. So I'm a little bit low on space, but I want to show you guys some of the items I got, some expected profits, and maybe some bolos that you guys might be able to go out there and find in your local area to flip on different online marketplaces. Alrighty guys, the first item I got are these cool little toys. I think they're like a slime type of kit or something by Poopsie Pooey, whatever it's called, but they're pretty cool. I actually came up on about 10 or 15 of these like a few weeks back at Ross. They literally all sold once they hit Amazon warehouses for about $20 profit each. I was able to scoop 4 more today. I don't know why they had them in stock. They were pretty much sold out at all the Rosses in my area. They must have just had them in the back or got a restock or something. If you see these and you can sell them on Amazon, they are money, and they all sold within like 2 hours of going live. I'm sure they do well on other marketplaces like eBay, maybe even like Etsy or not Etsy, Poshmark, or I don't know the different platforms. But these are money. They're only 20 bucks and they usually go for like 60. So look out for these. Next, I picked up a bunch of these fancy Nancy toys for $15.99 at Burlington Coat Factory. I got a ton of them. I found them at multiple locations. They're currently going for $49 on Amazon. Payout of $34.85. So after shipping it in and stuff like that, I'm looking to profit at least about double my money, $16 profit on every single one. They're ranked 72,000. They got 600 something reviews, so these will move quickly. I don't know why I'm actually showing you guys this, because I'm probably going to go buy more. So if you go out and buy these, don't tank the price, but definitely be on the lookout because these are some money makers. Next are these little baby things. I picked these up as well by Boppy. There's some nursing scarf or whatever. Paid $8 for them. They're going for about $24 to $30. I forget exactly. I'll show you. I'll pop it up on the screen. It's about 100% return on investment. They do sell quickly. They're ranked very well in the baby category. So definitely if you see these out, baby stuff sells extremely well, so when you're at these discount stores, make sure you're actually looking for this stuff. I find it all the time. Most people don't just kind of brush by. They're looking for more toys, shoes, all the cool stuff. This stuff's boring, but it does make a lot of money, and I do find that there's a little bit less competition on baby items from discount stores. And quick tip, if you're at Burlington, don't be afraid to look this stuff up manually if you can't get the UPC code. I always find a ton of profitable products just by typing in the title, looking for it on Amazon manually. If you see something that once you get that kind of eye for stuff, you'll be able to kind of tell what looks like it might be profitable, what might not be. Don't be afraid to look stuff up manually, because Burlington does stick their price tags over the barcode, which is annoying, so you can't scan it. But that's just a quick tip for you guys. Don't be lazy when you're out there sourcing. Most of the money's in products that other people aren't finding, so do more than what the average Joe is willing to do, and you'll make more profits. And a quick bonus to end this video, a quick pickup I found at Converse. I'm going to be selling these on either StockX or GOAT. They're actually the new Converse basketball shoes. They're size 8, so not the best size, especially for basketball players, because most basketball players tend to wear a little bit bigger shoe. But these are I believe they're the Kelly Oubre editions. They're pretty sweet looking. If they're my size, I'd probably keep them, but Kelly Oubre is obviously an NBA player, so these, I guess, were limited and sold out. I don't know how limited they were, but they did sell out. So Converse was having a 50% off sale, so I believe retail on these were like $130. I got them for half off, so like 65 bucks I paid for these. They're sold comps on StockX, eBay, and other marketplaces for $180 and upwards. Some other sizes sold for close to $250. So if I can get $180 out of these after fees, I'm gonna make close to like 80-90 bucks profit. So definitely don't sleep on Converse Outlet. I've made tons of money reselling Converse, golf with floors. I come up on different random stuff like this. I'll also pop up 3 pairs of Converse I sold in store because people place bids on StockX. Just random Converse, they're nothing special. They're 50% off. I was able to make about $80 profit while I was in the store. So definitely don't sleep on Converse. I know most people think that Converse aren't that hype, but these Converse outlet stores have ridiculous sales quite often, especially the clearance stuff, and you can find some gems in there to make some very, very good profits. That's gonna wrap it up for this vlog, guys. Again, I'm gonna start getting more into the shopping vlogs, sourcing vlogs, just showing you guys different stuff I'm buying, because that seems to be the type of content you guys wanna see. If there's any stores you want me to hit, I'm gonna be doing tons of outlets, tons of buyouts. I'm gonna be spending ridiculous amounts of money on product, especially now with e-commerce. Just It's crazy right now. Stuff's just flying off the shelf. So definitely going to be looking forward to making a lot more sourcing vlogs for you. So if you're new to the channel and you like this type of content, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Also, if there's any type of challenges, I see people doing sourcing challenges, whatever it might be, any type of content you guys want to see from me in the future, let me know in the comments, as well as please, please, please smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you guys on the next video.